there's a version of success everyone imagines. A private jet, a skyline that answers to no one, a phone that never stops buzzing with people who want a piece of you. At this level, isolation doesn't feel like isolation. It feels like arrival. 38,000 feet up. The world looks small enough to hold in one hand. You tell yourself this is what winning looks like. Somewhere around your first few 100 million, something shifts. People stop reaching you directly. There's always someone between you and the world now. It's protection. That's what everyone calls it. And it is protection. But protection has a side effect nobody warns you about. Spontaneity disappears first. Then trust. At this level, you start doing something you never used to do. You start auditing people. Every compliment gets a second read. Every favor gets a silent question attached. What do they actually want? The friends from before the money are still around. Mostly. But the conversations have changed. A wall goes up. Not because anyone built it on purpose. Somewhere past 1 billion, the silence stops being peaceful and starts being loud. The house is enormous. Wings you haven't walked through in months. A kitchen staffed for dinner parties that don't happen anymore. Success was supposed to fill something. Instead, it emptied out the ordinary noise that used to fill a life. In public, none of this shows. That's the strange part. At this level, you've become excellent at performing connection. And then the car door closes. And it's just you again, scrolling through a phone full of numbers that all somehow lead back to business. This is the level nobody puts on a highlight reel. The house that took a decade to build. The one with a home theater no one's watched a movie in. A pool no one swam in this year. A dining room that seats 20 and hasn't hosted 6 in longer than you'd admit out loud. You have everything money was supposed to buy. And most nights, you trade a meaningful percentage of it for one person who would sit across from you and ask how you're actually doing and mean it. The jet got you here. The empty mansion is where here turned out to be. Every level up came with a door closing somewhere behind you. And the higher you climbed, the fewer people were left standing on the other side of it.